Hello viewers and welcome once again to Samuel Mwenda channel, and today we are going to learn how to decorate a cooking stick. Mwiko, welcome. We have our cooking stick there ready, and now we smoothen and remove the dirt using our sandpaper. We have a rope or a string there. We need to tie. We need to tie We need to tie that rope there at the neck of our cooking stick. Give it some twists. Give it some twist there. Some more reverse twists. Some more reverse twists so that they will look like crosses, as if the strings are crossing each other. That is the pattern that we want to make. After making those crosses, you tie a knot there at the neck of our cooking stick. Cut the excess string. Cut the excess string. And remember, this is a size of string that we have twisted it ourselves. Now look at that. Look at that. Now we need to prepare a fire. And we know in order for us to light a fire, we need some firewood. Therefore, I have some firewood there. I'm splitting them to have manageable pieces. Look at that. It's into small pieces that will be able to burn without any problem. My firewood are not all that good because they are wet. That is why I'm look at that. My jiko there is already lit. Look at some smoke there. Now we have the fire we need to smoke. We need to smoke our cooking stick. Look at the color. The color is changing. Look at it. Look at that dark color. We need to achieve that. Continue smoking. Continue smoking our cooking stick by holding it and turning it above our fire there, and the smoke is painting it. Look at that dark color. This is the color that we wanted. Look at it. Continue placing our cooking stick above our fire, and make sure that you do not burn it. Be careful not to burn our cooking stick. Continue smoking, continue smoking. Look at that. We remove our string there, and look at the pattern that has been left by the string there. It's very nice, very good. You can see that. That is what we have already achieved, and I think our practical has been a success. Thank you and welcome once again.